If you're having trouble with voice chat on your PlayStation 5, follow these steps to troubleshoot and enable it. This guide will help you identify and fix common issues. Step 1. Check your microphone settings. Navigate to the settings menu on your PS5. Select sound, then go to microphone. Ensure your microphone is set to the correct input device and that the volume is adjusted properly. Step 2. Test your microphone. In the same microphone settings, you can test your microphone. Speak into it and see if the input level indicator responds. If it does not, there may be an issue with the microphone itself. Step 3. Check party settings. Go to the party menu and select the party you're in. Check the party settings to ensure that voice chat is enabled for all members. Make sure that the allow voice chat option is turned on. Step 4. Update system software. Ensure your PS5 is running the latest system software. Go to settings, select system, then system software, and choose system software update in settings. If an update is available, download and install it. Step 5. Restart your console. If the issue persists, try restarting your PS5. Hold down the power button until you hear a second beep, then turn it back on. This can resolve many temporary glitches. If you follow these steps and still experience issues, consider checking your internet connection or contacting PlayStation support for further assistance.